Howdy everyone, welcome to Keep Math Easy. A stone is thrown downward at an initial speed of 25 meters per second from the top of a cliff and hits the ground 8 seconds later. How tall is the cliff? So this problem is essentially asking us to solve for distance because the distance the ball travels is equal to the height of the cliff in this case. So let's break this problem down into 3 simple steps. Step 1 is it's always best practice to start any physics problem by listing out our knowns and our unknowns. To do this, let's read through the problem again and identify our knowns. A stone is thrown downward at an initial speed of 25 meters per second from the top of a cliff and hits the ground 8 seconds later. How tall is the cliff? So the initial speed of 25 meters per second is our v initial, so we write that as negative 25 meters per second since we are going in the downward direction. We know that time is 8 seconds. V final, we don't know. And we know that acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. And it is asking us how tall is the cliff. So step 2 is to identify what formula we need to use. So there are 2 potential distance formulas we can use. The first one says that distance equals v initial times time plus 1/2 acceleration times time squared. Our second formula says d equals 1/2 v initial plus v final quantity times time. So we don't know v final, so we aren't going to use this second equation and we are going to focus on the first equation. So step 3 is to plug in our knowns into our formula. So v initial is negative 25 meters per second. Time is 8 seconds plus 1/2 negative 9.8 meters per second squared times 8 seconds squared. And another best practice is to always write your units alongside your numbers so that you can keep everything straight and make sure that your units balance out at the end of the equation. So now we do some simple multiplication. Negative 25 times 8 is negative 200 meters plus 1/2 times negative 9.8 times 8 squared is negative 313.6 meters. And if we add these together, we get the height equals 513.6 meters.